Hi everyone, welcome to Discover. Today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to download and install SOAP UI on your system. If you are into API testing or just getting started with software testing, SOAP UI is one of the most useful tools you can learn. So make sure to follow along till the end and I will show you everything in a very simple way. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and type SOAP API download. You can also type here SOAP UI download. Here two versions available, Ready API and SOAP UI. This is paid version and this is open source. As you can view here, get the open source version of the most widely used API testing tool in the world. This is open source and this is the comparison between paid and SoapUI open source. For downloading, you just need to click on download SoapUI and this file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded this file, so I will quickly open this one and click on SoapUI exe. First, we need to click on this exe. This is the version you can view in the doc section. You can view support, community, and here you can view. For now, click on run, and here you can view SoapUI 5.91 is preparing. First, we need to install. Now it's installing. For a documentation, you can view here, scroll down, and here you can click on support. Click on yes. Here support option also available, and in the doc section you can view here getting started, API mocking, and community. Click on support. It will redirect to the support page. As you can view here, ready API support center, and here training samples. These options are available here. Now click on next. After clicking on next, we can maximize window, and this is the required disk space. You can view here free disk space, and here just click on next and click on next. This is the location. You can change this location if you want to save on a D drive, so you can also save this file into D drive. Now click on next and then click on next. If you want to create the desktop icon, so you need to mark this checkbox. If you uncheck this, so you cannot view this option in a desktop. Click on next and it will be preparing to install, extracting all files. It will take some time for extracting files. After extracting files, as you can view, we just need to click on finish and SOAP UI installed successfully. This you can view options. SOAP UI open source, this is the version and this is the source and this is the releases, so you can view here. For now, just type here SOAP UI and we can open SOAP UI. As you can view here, SOAP UI installed successfully. This is the version 5.9.1. We can click on this one skip. So click on skip and then click on cancel. So that's how you can easily download and install SoapUI on your system. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.